How much was son's porn collection worth that parents destroyed? Judge decides value. So yeah, remember that story from earlier? Those of you who've been around for a while? About this adult man who temporarily lived with his parents and then moved out and had his parents send him his stuff. And then he noticed something was missing. His parents threw out his entire porn collection, quote unquote, for his own good. And he did the right thing and sued them for it. You can't just destroy other people's stuff without penalty. And if you do so, you're going to pay for it. And oh boy, are these parents going to pay for it, because the amount is glorious. A Grand Haven couple has been ordered to pay $45,000 after disposing of their son's pornography collection. Brilliant. This amount is actually perfect. It covers the collection combined with the extra deterrent factor. In case any other Puritans are thinking of doing the same thing, I hope you're ready to pay up. David Working, oh man, David Jerking probably. 43 sued his parents after they threw away what a judge called a trove of pornography and an array of sex toys. I bet that most of that money was probably in the sex toys, to be honest. U.S. District Judge Paul Maloney in Kalamazoo ordered Beth and Paul Working to pay $30,441.54 to their son and $14,519.82 to his attorney. You know, that's another thing, too. You have to pay the legal fees of the person you wronged as well. Brilliant. Maloney earlier granted the son's request for a summary judgment, but delayed a ruling on damages. And we get a happy ending. The judge denied the son's request for treble damages, which can be awarded under Michigan's conversion statute. Maloney said that a defense-hired expert in pornography valuation, Dr. Victoria Hart. Oh my, I did not know this was a thing. You can be an expert in pornography valuation. I would want that job if I knew I wouldn't be stuck looking at sick fetish stuff all day, to be honest. It determined that the destroyed collection's value to be $30,441.54, the amount he ordered the defendants to pay. Hartman could not provide a value for 107 titles on the son's list. Aw, it should have been even higher. It's just that the experts couldn't figure out what the value was. Wait, doesn't that mean that it's priceless? Shouldn't they have to pay way more? Yeah, it sounds like they should have had to pay $400,000 to me. However, given the wide range of valuations for individual pieces and the inability of Dr. Hartman to even estimate the value of these pieces, the court declines to use an average value to award damages for these titles. David Working valued the collection at $25,000, but asked the judge to triple damages for what his attorney, Miles Greengard, called the wanton destruction of the property. Yeah, this is the one thing that could have gone better, because they did maliciously destroy his private property and they should have paid more for it. But whatever, they still have to pay, $45K. That's, unless they're rich, that's not a little bit of money right there. They contended that much of the collection could not be replaced, which is probably true in the case of the physical items. David Working had moved in with his parents in late current year -5 after a divorce. When he moved out, he expected his parents to send his belongings to Indiana. A dozen boxes of pornographic films and magazines never showed up. In an email, his father wrote, "Frankly, David, I did you a big favor getting rid of all this stuff." Well, frankly, Dad, your son did you a big favor teaching you to respect other people's private property. Maybe next time you'll think twice before doing this. We know who the real adult in this relationship is now, at least, and it wasn't you. But there you go. I love stories that have a happy ending.
Oh man, I am so excited to tell you guys right now that finally, after about a year of build-up and shilling, we have launched Blade Devil on Indiegogo, and so far it is doing so well thanks to awesome people like you. If you haven't backed it yet, then please check the links in the description and check out Blade Devil on Indiegogo. You will not be disappointed. Looking forward to seeing you there.